let me show you where to find your top earning YouTube videos. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. That's me right there holding the GoPro. I'm from Essetinomedia, showing you how to create profitable content. All right, so let's dive in here. I'm here in our YouTube channel dashboard, and to find your top earning videos, you want to head over to your analytics. Before I click on analytics, you need to make sure that you are monetized. Like, you're not going to see your top earning videos if you haven't been approved for monetization, which means you have at least 1,000 YouTube subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. If you don't have those two things and you haven't been approved and you don't have a Google AdSense account, then this isn't going to apply to you. So keep going, get those numbers, and then come back to this video. But if you do have those things, let me show you where to go. So let's click on analytics, and this is going to be like your overview. It's going to show you a quick overview of what's happening in your channel. And you're going to see here your top videos. These are your top videos in the last 48 hours, but these are not the top earning videos. To see your top earning videos, you want to head over to the revenue tab, and here we go. We've got a nice little box here. Top earning videos, your estimated revenue for the last 28 days. So this right here is going to show you your top earning videos. It'll show you 5 right here, but if you click on see more, it's going to show it to you like this in a chart. Right now it's on line chart. You can change it to bar chart if you want. And you'll see here on the left hand side as you scroll down, this is what you're going to want to pay attention to. The name of the video and the estimated revenue for the past 28 days. Now you can change this if you want. You can change this to, let's say, lifetime, and it's going to show you for the duration of when you started your channel what each video has made, and obviously it's going to show the top earning ones at the top, and they're just going to show you the top 50, I believe. So let's head back to 28 days, and you can see here and hover over, okay, this video made $332 in the last 28 days, this one, and then you can just scroll through and check them out yourself. You can see here the estimated monetized playbacks. You can see your playback CPM, which stands for cost per meal, which is cost per 1,000. If you hover over it, it'll say what it is, so it's effective cost per meal or estimated average gross revenue per 1,000 playbacks. And it'll even show you a little bit of the YouTube Premium, but it's usually not very much, as you can see. So that's how you find your top earning videos for your YouTube channel. If I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving us a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. You can check out our channel for more cool videos like this. As you can see, we're a channel dedicated to showing you how to create profitable content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.